decade has been so far the best one of the season, with 110 sea trout caught by a group of anglers, most of them regulars already, from UK's Sportquest holidays hosted by Peter and Tracey. The group had an excellent start, and after the first day they already had 26 sea trout in the book. Biggest of the day was 19-pounder, and all the 6 beats were working evenly. River dropping from plus 25 in dark tea color to 0 unstable, with the usual changing weathers of Patagonia, mostly with downstream winds that got strong by the middle of the week. Dropping temperatures in the air and water as well, due to the system coming from the south. By the end of the week, river touched again plus 20 centimeters without color change. Group finished with 110 sea trout and 45 brown trout. Biggest sea trout was 21 pound and was caught by team in 38 bid 4, and average size was 9 pound. Biggest brown trout 23 inches. Top rod of the week were Neil and Andrew with 19 sea trout each. Well done all of you, and we'll be looking forward to next year.